matis. Muli ito, mag-break. Hindi man sila pwede bridging visa.
Everyone, please stand up for the prayer. Everyone. Everyone, please stand up for the prayer.
Atong dugayan sa
Everyone, please stand up. Please stand up for the prayer. Everyone.
Wala kuko to Wala ko kakailang kuko nga kasali lang si Kuko. Wala kaila si Grayson nimo.
Tama?
Nagsariglas ang ganaon sa imong ta. Wala man naon sa man.
Alright, everyone again, let's all together. Welcome, Christian World Grayson. And 3, 2, 1. Please settle down and feel comfortable. Our celebration here at Jollibee is always fun. And now to make it happen, we would like to teach you one of our main ways. Alright, and now we request all the kids to please listen for a while to Ate Jessica. And kids, are you listening to Ate Jessica? Yes or no? Hala, saan ako mga kids ani? Are you ready to listen to Ate Jessica? Yes or no? Again, are you ready to listen to Ate Jessica? Yes or no? Alright, very good. And now we have here our unique way of acknowledging and recognizing achievements by giving a... Alright, kids, what do you call that clock again? Sabihin nila sa mga atos na to. Again, kids. Louder, kids. Very good. The Jollibee Club. And now, for example, when I say the Jollibee bilang siya or the Jollibee bilang siya for, alright, that is the signal for everyone to clap your hands once and say, now when I say the Jollibee bilang siya or the Jollibee bilang siya for, so all you need to do is you're going to clap your hands and now bend your knees lower and now we're going to shout, the Jollibee bilang siya for, guys! Thank you so much, Mom and Sir. By the way, Mom and Sir Emily, wish for Grayson and short message for everyone na nakasunod sa celebration ni Grayson. A message, short message to everyone. Yes, ma'am.
Isa man mama ni Marila. Mama. Just sit down there. Your mother is there. She's watching you. Now, 2 point and still 1 point. Okay, get ready. Lihat
number 1 balloon. Get ready, number 1, pass number 7. Number 7, pass number 5. Number 5, shake, kiligili, pass number 2. Number 2, pass number 5. Number 5, number 6. Number 6, shake, kiligili, pass number 2. Number 2, pass number 3. Number 3, pass number 1. Number 1, pass number 7. Number 7, shake, kiligili, pass number 5. Number 5, pass number 5. Number 4, pass number 3. Number 3, pass number 2. Number 2, pass number 1. Number 1, pass number 5. Number 5, pass number 6. Number 6, pass number 7. Number 7, shake, kiligili, pass number 3. Number 3, pass number 2. Number 2, shoot around.
Ini dolang pamukasay. Ha? Ini dolang pamukasay. Mamubo man.
One more, Rocky Pose, Rocky.